Yes, my people, good day. A few people telling me about these e46 subframe mount cracking. I'm taking a closer look to see. I looked here. I don't really see anything looking too crazy. Everything else look kind of decent. So that's one point. I'm looking from here. I don't really see anything look too crazy neither. Everything look uniform. On this side though, see a little something, but it could be just dust. You understand? Don't even know what kind of grime that was. Straight in the mouth. Alright, that look decent. I don't see any cracking in the metal. Metal look uniform around here. On the pictures that I see online of how the crack you see cracks coming out from there. Everything look decent there. So let me look at the ones up here. Okay. This is a mount point right here, so this look decent. I don't see nothing crazy there. Nothing too crazy there. Looking up here, so everything look uniform. I don't see no straight lines or anything. I don't see anything, so that's a good thing. They said not all of them do it. Everything look decent, so we're gonna roll with that. This is one of the better ones. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.